We've always been told space is a vacuum, a realm of absolute silence. But what if that's not entirely true? From the haunting whispers of planetary magnetospheres to the eerie crackle of distant pulsars, the cosmos hums with unheard frequencies. NASA has even converted electromagnetic waves from planets into audible soundscapes, revealing an otherworldly symphony we never knew existed. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, beneath the serene stars, an incredible hidden concert is playing, waiting to be heard.